Okay, so let's grab our back piece and let's place this on the back. We've already got our buckles and stuff sewn on there. So you've got your seam kind of a guide. If you can't see it anymore, just fold it in half and put a good crease in it so you can see it. And I usually eyeball this when I'm putting this on here. We'll just move these out of the way. Just kind of put it directly in the center, and you can always take your measuring tape and measure it so that you get it in the center pretty well. So that's about right in the center. And this can be a bit stubborn, so I would pin this down into place and double check it a couple times because it is gonna move, slide, and slip. There's my one pin. And when you're pinning it, try to pin it in your seam allowance area. You don't want to be putting a lot of different holes in it, in your plastic. And what we got. So, and then we're going to actually sew a straight stitch up along the sides here, but not the side, because this is where your card's going to slide in. So we're going to leave that unsewn. So I'm going to flip it this way. And I'm going to start here and sew along this way, come to the corner, turn, come to the corner, turn, and then sew up. I will go past the plastic a little bit just so that we can hold this down. You don't want this to come off. So again, just going to do a straight stitch here. Make sure I'm straight. Pins are popping up on me. Looks pretty good. So go forward 2 stitches, and then you're going to go back 2. And forward. And you want to sew as close as you can to that edge right there. Past it a little bit, go back 1 stitch, come to the corner, pivot, past 1, close to the edge. You want to give your card plenty of room in there to slide in and out. Clean up all our little threads. Again, if you're using a really good a thread that's like an upholstery thread for jeans or leather, you can actually burn these. Just be really careful getting close to the plastic. Let's get this thread. And there we go. There's your contact information slot. Put it in there.